Hey everyone, Wade here from Disrupt Tutoring. It's always nice to join you. Today I'm going to be taking you through a question on the scientific method, and this was prepared by the Disrupt Tutoring team. So let's jump in. Imagine you are conducting an investigation. List the steps that you would follow in order to carry out the investigation from start to finish. So, first thing we need to do is to ask questions about the problem. So, questions. So we're asking questions about the problem. Next, we need to identify the variables. And the variables are your independent variables, so the variable that you will choose to manipulate throughout the experiment. The dependent variable, the variable that will change because of the things you've changed within the independent variable. And the fixed variable, so the variable that stays constant throughout the experiment. Next, we come up with an aim for the study. Once we have our aim, we can formulate the hypothesis. Once we've got the hypothesis, we can do research. And this is research on the topic. So find out what is known, what is unknown. You can even do this step before you come up with the hypothesis, as it might help you formulate that hypothesis. Next, we need to plan the methods. So plan methods. So we plan the methods. Once we've planned the methods, we need to do investigation. So do the investigation. Once we've done the investigation, we need to get the results. To get the results, we need to also find suitable ways of representing those results, and that can be in tables or in graphs, and then you'll just describe the trends that you see in the table and the graphs. Once we've got the results, we need to analyze and interpret it. So analyze and interpret the results. Okay. Once we've done that, we can come up with a suitable conclusion. And then evaluate your study. So by evaluate your study, ask yourself, does it support your hypothesis? And then, finally, we can publish the results. And that's the investigation from start to finish. Before I go, don't forget you can send us another question just like this and we'll respond with a personalized video. Or for more epic videos, check out our website. Just a shout out to our sponsor. You can find all their details and ours down in the description below. Until next time, stay epic.